So we're done here by Seal Island, or Elephant Rock Island, or Rob Island, covering all the names again. And we're going to be heading to Lutzville. If you look there, there's grapes and vineyard here too, but with tomatoes growing in between them. And look at all those crates of tomatoes that they were just picking. When we came in, they were picking these tomatoes. Check all the crates, hundreds of crates up here.
Yeah, amazing.
Incredible. So these tomatoes are all going to Durban. Wow, they're going far. Oh, okay. Thank you, man. Have a nice day.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, bye. Very interesting. Let me tell you now. When the tomato season ends, then it's grape season. They grow grapes and they do the grapes. And then when the grape season ends, they do the tomatoes. And that's how they do it. And they use the same irrigation system for the tomatoes and the grapes.
That is unreal.
Now the tomato season's ending now. They picking all the tomatoes. There's still a lot of tomatoes on there, but they're picking a lot of the tomatoes now. And they're being shipped out to Durban.
Okay.
All of these tomatoes are going through to Durban because Durban can't grow tomatoes now this time of year. Coming into Lutzville.
Looks busy.
It does look busy, eh? Go this way around first. It looks like a busy little place, eh?
It does.
Friendly people in Lutzville. Surplus People Project. Wow. The filling station. I'll have to come around later and get some gas, petrol. Lutzville. Well, this side's a lot quieter.
Yeah. I think you went to the industrial side first.
Yeah. Some greenery over here. I don't know if this is a school. It must be.
Yeah, it must be.
That's the church. That's definitely the school, eh?
Yeah.
Quite a big school.
And a hostel.
Lutzville High School.
Yes. I'm sure a hostel.
Look at this stunning house. Whoa.
Yeah. I love it.
Look at this.
Love it, love it, love it.
Wow.
Love
Gorgeous.
the thatch, eh?
Yeah, it's amazing.
I love it.
Seems a bit busier.
Yeah.
It's a block of flats. The Alpha.
lot of cell phone repair places.
This is the Lutzville Hotel. Look how pretty this is. Wow.
Flowers are gorgeous.
Amazing, eh?
See, they make little bells.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
We were so hungry. We got here to Lutzville. We had to buy some chips and started eating immediately. And I forgot we didn't share it with you. So yeah, this is what's left of our chips.
First time eating after
Breakfast this morning.
yeah, starving.
Yeah, it's nearly 3 o'clock. The Art Guest House.
That's us.
Let's go and find the Art Guest House. The Art Guest House.
Here we go.
No, slow. I'm going to take it slow.
Sure.
Yes, no problem. Oh, this is cute.
Very nice.
A little picnic spot here. So this is our accommodation. It's called Latus, but it's a word play on Laat-oes with a wine
harvest.
late harvest in the area. And this is our place. I love it. Well, I love all the places we stay in. But this is really, really neat. Look at this. Double bed, 2 single beds, air conditioner, bicycles on the wall if we need them. I love these types of counters. With everything we need here. That's the dunny. And here's the shower. And another dunny. Wow. Oh, this is really nice, eh? Wow. I'm going to take a walk around the gardens just now. Check out this braai area. Nice to sit here. And then they've also got a smokers area. You can come and sit and have a smoke. But I see they have an ashtray by the braai area too, so this is pretty cool, eh? I really like this place. One day, eendag. Really beautiful garden. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Hello. Now this is the place. Look at that little waterfall. Incredible, this is so neat. Check, this is the reception area. And the owner of the guest house is the artist. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Yes, a little canary. Look at that. This is also painted. Incredible. Little birds and the cat over here. Wow. Paint brushes. Good morning. We're still here in Lutzville at Art Guest House. Already packed the car, in the car, ready to go. I want to apologize for last night. Came and I sat on the bed, fell asleep, and I woke up at about 3 this morning and I realized, I didn't even realize then, only this morning I realized I didn't even say good night to you guys. So, good night and good morning. So, let's...
Needed the rest though.
Needed the rest, definitely needed.
Shot last night.
Bushed, eh? So, we're going to greet Latus. But this is really beautiful, yeah. Wow. Look at the waterfall there.
Yeah, look at the budgies.
Yeah. Canary.
Oh, but wait, there's a little wild one.
Bird by the canary.
Visiting them.
Yes.
How gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy.
Friends.
Oh, cute. The ladies are waiting to open the gate.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Artistic family.
Yeah, very, very, very artistic. Okay. Filled up with petrol. Check the vineyards here in town. Vineyards in town. It's amazing, eh?
Yeah, look at the rows.
Yeah.
Incredible. We've bought some more down there. Yeah, there. They're not as autumny yet.
But this is on the school grounds. It's amazing, eh?
Right next to the rugby field.
Yeah. In between the rugby field. It's crazy.
Love it.
Yeah.
Oh, they are also autumn colours. So beautiful. You always love saying it's table grapes when they like up in the air like
Yes,
that.
they are. Well, now we're out of Lutzville at the moment, but yesterday when I passed the church, there were a lot of vehicles working here and things like that, and I didn't stop then, but I thought I'd stop here this morning before we leave Lutzville to show you the beautiful gardens and around the church, like I normally do. Sprayers are on. I think this is where they put the people's ashes. Massive grounds. As we were coming down the road, we saw the sign Vlermuisklip. What do you call it? How does it translate this? Bat's Rock?
Bat Rock. Yeah.
Bat Rock. I don't know. We tried to find some information about it, but there's only a Vlermuisklip restaurant in Lutzville. So I don't know. I presume there might be bats here. There's some rock little thing built over there. I don't know. Looks like you could walk up there.
Any history.
It looks like one could walk up there. Yeah, cracks and crevices.
I can only imagine there must be bats.
Must be bats, yeah. This is quite interesting, eh?
Yeah. Just outside Lutzville.
Just outside of Lutzville, yeah.
We didn't get to visit the pub and
Looking
restaurant.
there,
Oh.
There's a little... Oh, there's bees in there. Definitely bees coming in and out of there. I won't go look.
You shall not.
Oh well, this is it. Dead end.
Interesting.
I might be able to find something else out about it, but I don't know.
Yeah, maybe with a little digging.
Yeah. Ah, yes, a nice little bridge. Now tell me, how do we operate this with pedestrians on the bridge?
Oh, we must take up.
They must
Oh,
swim.
lots of water.
Nice, pretty, eh?
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Look how high the water is. It's a lot of water here.
It is, eh? Very
Wonder
interesting.
What river this is.
Look how it's flowing, yeah.
Yesterday. That's beautiful.
Yeah. Wow.
Look at that stalk. Did you see the stalk?
Yes. Every time we think we're done with Lutzville, we find something else just outside of Lutzville to carry on talking about. Like the Vlermuisklip. And then as we came around the bend, you saw that river that we crossed over there. That's actually the Olifants River.
And beautiful.
It's amazing that it's flowing like that. It's crazy. Really beautiful. So we are really done with Lutzville now. And we'll be taking the road out and seeing what we find along the way to Strandfontein.